Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Tonight I'm going to show you the new item. And here it is, the new item. It's the very best of the Beach Boys, Sounds of Summer. And there's the track listing. And here is the front cover. The very best of the Beach Boys, Sounds of Summer. It's a good record LP, folks. Good one. I listened to that today, and I really liked it. And I recommend you to go out and pick the LP up. It's a good one. Today, I got up, ate my breakfast, lunch, later eat my dinner, watch a movie, go to bed, get back up, and look for more items for tomorrow's video. For those of you that's new to the channel, I do collection videos here, and all of the items that I show is all original. As you see, original LP vinyl record. Original. I cannot afford to go out and buy compilation items when I can buy the originals for the same price. Can't do it, folks. Can't do it. Now, all of the items I keep in mint condition. In order to have nice items, you've got to keep them in mint condition at all times. Mint condition at all times. Always remember to always be kind and true. Always have love in your heart. Always respect others. Always treat people with respect. Make a friend if you can. And always be there for your family and friends. No matter what. And always remember to always like, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.